back. What you doing? Yeah.
Level up video.
Make sure you guys subscribe. Turn notification to give this video a big thumbs up. One thing. Follow me online. And I'll give my followers. So make sure you follow my mom on Instagram. And it's like that. And on Facebook. So let's get started. I'm just talking about, I don't know, I guess I just wanted to come on. Tomorrow night, I will not be here, so guys, do not hope that I'm going to be online with you guys. And the whole weekend, I'm not going to be here. Next weekend and that Monday, we are going to do a slime video, guys. I am going to do a slime video with you guys. A slime. Don't you want to do a slime video? We're going to do a slime video and we're going to talk about colors to put in the slime. And when I'm buying the slime, you guys are going to be there with me. We're going to talk about what should I get. Write it in the comments. Like, what color should I get for my slime? Glow in the dark, clear, white, regular? What kind should I get? A big jug of glue. Which kind of glue should I get for Monday's video? Because I'm going to make slime for all of you guys. So make sure you guys get into that slime video. So make sure you guys check out this video so you guys can see my video when I'm going to make slime. Make sure you guys follow me. And guys, I'm going to make the slime Monday. So make sure you guys are waiting for one of my videos. When you see one uploading, just wait. Hey guys, if you're wondering what the loud stuff is behind me, it's just people. So boom. Let's make a YouTube video Monday. Bye guys. I'll see you one day when I make my video. Peace. Wait, tomorrow when I get back from school, maybe I'll make a video with you guys. Or when I get out of school and my mom gets off of work, I'll ask her if she can buy me slime and we can make a little slime video together. But I'm going with my uncle, and maybe when he comes to pick me up, he might have the dogs. He has 3 dogs and he has a little Chica Chihuahua. So it's really cool. So I'll see you guys probably tomorrow, or I'll see you guys Monday. Peace. Hiya, I'm out.